to the YouTube. Hopefully everybody's having a good day, because if you ain't having a good day, you better have a good day, because today's a good day, because we got a 7.3. Oh yeah! Here she is. Nice clean unit, Texas truck. Barely any rust on it. Oh yeah! Barely any rust. Clean unit. Except for the beds. Oh yeah! Needed. Don't need that. Got the nice visor on it. We'll explain more when we get her home.
What are you, a bull?
Yes.
Technique.
All right, giving her the test drive here, and to the floor. She's scooped, boys. Oh yeah! More fixing on the 7.3, as we fixed it yesterday, and then it had another problem that I noticed. Let me start her up real quick and show you what the heck is wrong. All right, so what we have is another very common problem on the 7.3s is 7.3s. Where are the keys? Move those. See what she's got. What we have is another very common problem on the 7.3s. Heck yeah, let's see if